Okay, here is what I believe to be a Goodman ductless mini-split air conditioning unit. Currently not running. And this is located at the hotel that we stayed at last night in Faribualt, Minnesota. And there's the data for it. Looks like it has a GE fan motor. And not really sure what kind of compressor it has. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video of this unit. And this is the only unit that I could find at our hotel, so, yeah. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video of this unit. Anyway, thanks for watching.